Do you struggle to speak with confidence? Maybe you're thinking, I'm not a native English speaker, I can't speak under pressure, what if I blank, what if I don't know what to say? These are common fears that people have. Early in my career, I had these fears where I couldn't speak with confidence. Just about to speak with somebody, I felt my heart racing, I was sweating. If you're new here, hi, my name is Dr. Erwin Kwun. On a mission to help doctors lead a fulfilling life. I help GP trainees pass their MRC GP SEO with confidence. If you're feeling you're not very confident, or maybe you don't know how to manage the nerve or the anxiety, in this video I'm going to show you a 3-step framework that you can use to boost your confidence, and it's see, believe and achieve. First, you have to see yourself, visualize yourself doing the consultation, communicating with confidence, see yourself managing this difficult conversation. The second step is believing in yourself. This is the mindset work that you have to do, this inner work. So maybe you're having these thoughts or limiting beliefs that my accent is a problem, or you have some insecurity about yourself. You have to break down this limiting belief and replace them with positive affirmation. So maybe if your belief is, well, I can't speak well because I've got a thick accent, I can tell you that the accent is not a problem. In fact, your accent is your signature. It's unique to yourself. And it's not the accent that's a problem. Most of the time, it's because you're not articulating your words properly. And this could be because you're not having enough movement of your tongue and in the mouth. So you can practice that. If you practice articulating your words, then you're going to communicate with clarity. Another practical tip that I teach my students is to gather evidence that you have got good communication skill. It could be from your patient survey or from your colleagues. Look at this evidence and pick some of the glowing reviews that you got from your patients and colleagues. Read it every morning. If you read it, then it's going to sink in and you're going to start believing based on the evidence that you're showing your brain. Self-belief is not something that you either have or don't have, but it's how much do you believe in yourself. So when you see evidence of the progress and you read this affirmation, then you're going to increase that belief in yourself. So your self-belief is going to increase maybe from 0 to 1, 1 to 2 to 3, and so on. Right now, if your level of confidence is 2 out of 10, you don't expect it to go 10 out of 10 straight away. You have to give it time and work on your competence, and your confidence is going to catch up. The next step is achieving. So this is where you have to put in the work. Maybe deep down you know that you're not competent enough or you haven't done the work. Then no wonder why you're not feeling confident. Now, some people, even though they've put in the work, they've got the competence, sometimes they still feel underconfident. This is where it's really important that you look back and look at the evidence of progress that you have made. You know, when you're making this progress and you're seeing evidence of this progress, these small wins that you have under your belt, it's going to gradually build your confidence. With communication, there are so many things that you might feel like you have to improve. Maybe it could be your listening skill, maybe it could be the way you sound, maybe it could be the energy level, your tone of voice. So there's a lot of things. So it could be overwhelming for you to try and improve all of this. But what I'd suggest you do is focus on one thing at a time. So look at the 80-20. So 80-20 is an analysis looking at what's the 20% of work that you can do that's going to make 80% of the results. So for example, let's say if right now when you communicate, you're using a lot of okay, and these filler words, it can make you sound less credible right now. But if you manage to remove these filler words, then you're going to improve your communication skills significantly. So look at this 80-20, what are the things that right now might be an issue? The way you can do that is by recording yourself and reviewing yourself. By reviewing your recording, you're going to gain awareness of what you're doing. So this is really important part of the exercise. If you don't do this, then you're not going to have much insight into your communication. And it's very difficult then to improve your confidence. When you put in the work, you will know that you're going to see what are the things that you have to work on and refining it. Once you've done that, then you might think that there are other things that you need to address. By following this 3-step process, see, believe, and achieve, you're going to boost your level of confidence. And if you found this video useful, you might want to download the Essay Blueprint. This is a free resource that you can use to get you started with your essay preparation. Click the link down in the description below to get a free blueprint, and you'll also get a 7-day email course for free.
I was really optimistic I was going to pass, and then I saw the result and I'm like, okay, I think I don't have it in me. So my confidence level was really, really, really low. My first exam, I was really, really anxious. I had to take some medications, but this time around, like, no need. Most of them said, no, I don't have anything in mind. But I've come to realize that at the end of this exam station, they have questions.